defense aspirants. I am Swati Sheth, a 2 times recommended candidate for the JAG entry as well as the NCC special entry from Team Alpha Lead Academy. To make your lecturate preparation for your SSB more simpler and convenient, we have compiled together few of the most important topics of lecturate that were recently asked in the Air Force Selection Board, the Service Selection Board, as well as the Naval Selection Board. The important topics are as follows: the joint military exercises of India with other nations, the Indus Water Treaty, the Shimla Agreement, the role of artificial intelligence in the Indian economy, drone warfare, biological warfare, and non kinetic warfare. Then, India's neighborhood nations, a crisis and its impact on India. Then, the public private partnership in defense sector. Next topic is major operations by the Indian Armed Forces, followed by the Indian foreign policy, later women empowerment. Then comes the most important topic, the string of pearls. Now, once you perfectly prepare your notes for lecturate on string of pearls, those content can be used to speak on any other topics. There will always be some kind of connectivity of every topic with the string of pearls. Then something about the aviation safety. Then comes the Swadeshi apps and the Atmanirbhar Bharat. The next topic is modernization of armed forces in India, followed by maritime security in India. The next topic is migration in India. The next topic is ISRO and its missions. The next topic is advent of foreign universities in India. Then the Armed Forces Special Provision Act. Then the press freedom in India, the major operations by Indian Armed Forces, the global refugee crisis, followed by the regulation of cryptocurrency, privatization of banks and central bank digital currency, Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Now, when you read about one of the Abhiyans, make sure you learn about more such missions and more such projects, something like the Fit India movement, then the delimitation of Jammu and Kashmir, a cashless society. The next topic is the conduct of elections in India, then uniform civil code, the role of CDS and theaterization of the three forces. Here you can mention its importance, why it was done, and where all are the headquarters of the theaterization. Then the coal crisis in India and other nation. You can see the remaining topics on the screen. Along with this, compile information and choose topics from the current burning issue or current affairs, and the remaining important topics are visible on the screen. And one more extra tip for all the NCC cadets watching this video and preparing for their NCC special entry SSB, put more effort on NCC related topics such as the role of NCC in schools and colleges. And along with this, all the people who are preparing for the lecturate for their SSB, put in more efforts for current affairs, current burning topics, and make notes on it in the proper lecturate format. That is the introduction and historical background, then the body of the lecturate with advantages and disadvantages, or pros and cons, or challenges and advantages based on the topic, followed by conclusion and a personal opinion. Now, when you make your notes based on the standard format, you tend to remember it better and you always end up speaking in the same order. Along with this, a key point to remember is that whenever you choose any topic for your lecturate, it has to answer these 5 questions: what, where, when, why, and how. Once you understand this system, it is easy to deliver a lecturate on any chosen topic. I hope this video was helpful for you to start your preparation for your lecturate for your SSB. Anybody who is wondering where to start for your lecturate and what topics to start for, this video is your guide to begin. And all the best. Jai Hind.